Look at there. And you can just keep going on and on and on and on. Make as many branches on this tree as you want. Now, one thing that will help you, everybody knows there's 500 branches on an evergreen tree, but look right up close here. See, there's not that many showing, because a lot of those 500 project towards you, a lot of them are on the other side. And so don't put too many in there. Don't overkill. All right, tell you what, I'll do one more real quick here, because this is probably one of the most used ways of doing evergreens. Back and forth, back and forth. Leave some limbs out there. You need places for the little birds to sit. Little birds gotta have a place to put their foots. Okay, that shows you very quickly a couple of nice ways of making evergreens.
Omega is the guy in the house. I know you wanna be me. It's been a couple years now, I've got no infected pee-pee, and it really shows with my Omega Pro flows and my Omega Pro beats that I've gotten so much better. Hey, shout out Fredder from my Carly, cause that guy is the man with the camera up. He can make it go 1, 2, 3 and go. iCarly is my favorite TV show, but I'm trapped up in jail with no way to pay bail, and that makes me super sad. They put me here in jail. I used to work in a post office, but then it got bombed by the people that dropped the bombs on World War II. I lost all my 10 toes and it really shows. But then I got out, I wrote some lines, I dropped an EP. People stood in lines to buy it all up, but that was too much for the government. All the people took their time and they listened. They took all my words. They tried to rebel, but that was just a curse. Now they put me in jail, cause Omega Pro was too strong. Where will Omega go? Nobody really knows it. Where will Omega go? Nobody really knows it. Where will Omega go? Nobody really knows it. Propane, call me Hank Hill. I'm just selling it to pay my bills, my Omega Pro bills that I've got from being in jail for too long. It makes it really sad. Hey, my middle name is Brad. Wait, no it's not A. Wait, no it's not A. I've been dropping hits since his Dino diss, and then my words were too strong. They were too strong, and then they were too long. Those are my words. They all hurt. Not me, not society, but the people that put us down. It really made them astounded, yeah. They don't really know where to go. The government is crumbling under my feet, under my cleat. I don't even play soccer, but I scored a goal into the government's hole. The mouthful, wait, that sounds a little wrong. Don't take it the wrong way, ayy. It's Pride Month anyway, so I guess it's okay, ayy. Shout out to the government, just kidding, I hate you all, ayy. You can take all my soccer balls, it's both